Ready to dive headfirst into the wild and wonderful world of cherry tomatoes? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic container gardening adventure that'll have you growing tomatoes like a boss in no time. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get this party started. Container craze, finding your tomato vessel. Containers everywhere, but which one is right for you? From classic pots to quirky upcycled finds, we'll explore a smorgasbord of container options, guaranteed to get your creative juices flowing. Get ready to unleash your inner gardening guru and pick the perfect vessel for your cherry tomato dreams. Container Prep-palooza. Get your hands dirty and dive into the exciting world of container prep. We'll show you how to whip your container into tip-top shape, from selecting the perfect soil mix to drilling drainage holes, like a pro. With a little TLC, your container will be primed and ready to host the tomato party of the century. Seeds, seedlings, and sprouts, oh my. Time to get planting, my friend. Whether you're starting from seeds or snagging some snazzy seedlings from the nursery, we've got all the insider tips and tricks to ensure your cherry tomatoes hit the ground running. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to tomato growing success. It's planting time. Tender loving care for your tomato tykes. Ready to shower your tomato babies with some serious love? We've got you covered. From watering woes to feeding frenzies, we'll walk you through the art of tomato TLC with style and sass. Ready to pamper your plants like never before? They'll thank you with a bumper crop of juicy tomatoes. Troubleshooting turmoil, conquering tomato tribulations. Looks like we've hit a bump in the gardening road. Fear not, brave gardener. We'll tackle common tomato troubles head-on, armed with clever hacks and DIY solutions guaranteed to save the day. From pest invasions to nutrient deficiencies, ain't no challenge too tough for our tomato-growing warriors. Harvest hoopla, reaping the rewards of your tomato triumph. The moment you've been waiting for has finally arrived. It's harvest time. Baby! Grab your basket and get ready to pluck those plump, juicy cherry tomatoes straight from the vine. With our expert harvesting tips and mouth-watering recipes, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor in no time. Cheers to a job well done, my fellow tomato titan, you've earned it. And that's a wrap, folks. You've completed your crash course in cherry tomato container gardening like a total rock star. Armed with newfound knowledge and a healthy dose of gardening swagger, you're ready to tackle any gardening challenge that comes your way. So go forth, my green-thumbed friend, and let your cherry tomatoes flourish. The world is your garden, and the possibilities are endless.